morning, YouTube. This is Cactus Naga again. New video. This time it's a garage door opener that seems to have lost all power. Nothing is lighting up. The bulb is not lighting up. It's plugged in. Nothing is flashing on at the back there. So a little research indicates that the control board, the logic board is probably fried. Sometimes voltage spikes and things like that can kill it. So that's what we will be replacing. I got a replacement board off Amazon, $73, and that's what I'm going to be taking out and installing. So it looks like the first thing we got to do is get this plate off. Couple of screws on this side, couple of screws up there again, and I'm going to assume that this plate is going to just come off, and we will disconnect these three wires. We'll kind of make sure that we know where it reinstalls. We will remove this entire assembly, a few screws there, a couple of screws up there, and we will replace it with a new one. So as it turns out, there was no need to remove this plate. The four screws, remove the interconnecting wires. There is this harness here that needs to be unplugged, and the entire board assembly just comes off completely. And so here it is, the old one. I'm not sure what is wrong with it, but we're going to be putting in a new one. That's the new one. Now, as with all electronic circuitry, they are sensitive to something called electrostatic discharge. So we're going to make sure that it comes in a bag, an ESD safe bag, and I will be using a wrist strap and to ground myself so that I don't damage the board when I'm handling it. The new board, I'm strapped in, connected to some sort of grounding. I'm going to be installing this back up there. We're going to plug it in and see if everything works out. So here's the new logic board that has been reinstalled. The free wires have been reconnected to their original places. I also have reprogrammed the remote. The reprogramming is also a pretty straightforward method. There is the method on how to reprogram it listed on the back of the garage door opener. So everything seems to be done correctly, and we're going to check it out now. Here we go. Press this button. Out. Thanks for watching.